मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग। केमिस्ट्री क्लास हो गया सुबह?
नहीं सर, सैटरडे आज।
ओके, सैटरडे ऑफ है।
एक सेकेंड इधर आओ।
एक क्विक रिकॉल लिखो, व्हाट ऑल वी स्पोक यस्टरडे। एक रिकॉल करो कल के प्रॉपर्टीज। चलो कल के प्रॉपर्टीज एक बार रिकॉल करो। व्हाट वाज एनसीआर डेफिनेशन? इजाक हमजा एब्सेंट है। हमजा एब्सेंट। शोएब भी एब्सेंट दिख रहा है। शोएब आर यू देयर? व्हाट इज एनसीआर डेफिनेशन? करेक्ट है?
n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial.
What are the properties? NCR plus 1 क्या है ये? करेक्ट। NCR minus 1 NCR by NCR minus 1 n minus of r minus 1 by r, n minus of r minus 1 by r. NCR क्या है? करेक्ट, बोलो। n minus 2 CR minus 2 n by r, n minus 1 by r minus 1 and so on. Correct? When is NCR is equal to NCS?
R is equal to S.
R is equal to S or बोलो जी।
R plus S is equal to S.
अरे और एक प्रॉपर्टी NCR is equal to NC n minus r. Am I correct? Is that noise from your end? बच्चे लोग इसका मतलब क्या है मालूम? NR open interval bracket stands for NCR. What does this mean? 47C4 plus sigma I is equal to 1 to 5, 52 minus I, C3, which is equal to, complete the problem. I'm waiting for the answer. I'm waiting for the answer. Come on. चलाई अरे क्या है जी? नहीं बोलेंगे?
Sir, answer is 52C4.
Correct. Shoaib, correct. Shoaib, correct. What is this? 47C4. Put I is equal to 1 क्या आएगा? बोलो जी. I is equal to 2. I is equal to 2. करेक्ट. अब क्या करेंगे? अदनान, जहीरुद्दीन, बोलो जी क्या करेंगे? बोलो. देखो, ये देखो, ये दोनों क्या करना? ऐड कर सकते हैं?
यस सर.
C4 डिफरेंस 1, दोनों सेम. ऐड करने से क्या आएगा? बोलो जी।
47 plus 1 C
48
48 सी, दोनों में मैक्सिमम 4।
5
अरे 4 जी, नीचे वाला नहीं बढ़ता, नीचे वाला मैक्सिमम आता, नीचे वाला मैक्सिमम आता, ऊपर
yes
ही
sir
एक बढ़ता।
yes sir
48
yes
सी
sir
4, 51 सी 3, 50 सी 3, 49 सी 3, 48 सी। अब क्या करेंगे, अब क्या करेंगे फिर से? Shall we add? What does it give you?
49 C
49
power 4.
अब क्या करेंगे फिर से? 49 सी 4, 49 सी 3 क्या देगा?
50 C4
50 C4 50 C3
क्या देगा?
51 51
आंसर
yes sir.
वही फॉर्मूला बार बार अप्लाई कर दो। कल दिस वाज व्हाट आई वाज आस्किंग। Shall we do one problem करके application? Please let me know once you're done.
Done sir.
1 minute done sir
Look here. What is a plus b whole power 1? Binomial. Two terms. By. What is a plus b whole square? बोलो जी। Power 2. Number of terms 3. Power of a keeps on decreasing. Power of b keeps on increasing. Correct?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Give me the answer. Here we use something called Pascal triangle. याद है? Do you know this? Coefficients are 1, 1. Next coefficients 1, 2, 1. Write 1. Add these two. Write 1. Write 1. Add these two. Observe this carefully. Add these two. Add these two. Write 1. Add these two. Add these two. Add these two. Write 1. Write 1. Add these two. Add these two.
10,
Add these two.
10,
Add these two.
5,
Write 1. Since it's in the shape of a triangle, it is called a Pascal triangle. Write 1. Add these two. 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 Butter. What's the answer? First one?
A cube
Three.
plus 3a cube b square plus 3a square b cube.
A square b.
Ah,
A
yeah,
का
A square
power
b.
decreases. A का power decreases. B का power increases. A का power decreases. B का power increases. Coefficients यहाँ से बोलो. बच्चे लोग हम अगर
yes sir,
what is a plus b whole power 4? A power 4 plus उधर देखो 4
a cube b
a cube b
plus 4a square b square
4 कहीं कुछ 6 है कोनवा plus 4
ab cube.
common next what is a plus b whole power 5 a power 5 ah am I correct? Now what is your observation by looking at this binomial tree? By looking at this binomial tree or by looking at this Pascal triangle, what is your observation? बोलूं मैं क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूँ, क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूँ, क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूँ? Please, in your diagram also, you make a note like this, you round up like this and say, what you will say? बोलो मैम. Clearly, the middle binomial coefficient is the क्या जी?
Greatest.
Greatest binomial coefficient. BC stands for binomial coefficient. That is what is understood from the diagram. Pascal's tree or Pascal's triangle. Now, classically, we will define what is binomial theorem. For can you clear this up?
Yes, sir.
Abrar, I don't. What is x plus y whole power n? बोलो मैम. NC naught, NC1, NC2, NCR, NCN. Done. बोलो जी done. बच्चे लोग done.
Done, sir.
Please do not write. Listen to the board. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Some important properties of binomial theorem expansion. Some properties. Please listen to this carefully. Look here. Do not write. Copy later.
Sir, x power n minus 1 y, right?
X bar.
N minus 1 y, right?
Remark. Pay attention. First one. How many terms? Number of terms are, how many? N plus 1, T1, T2, T3. What is this NCR? TR plus 1th term. That is called general term. General term, GNRAL. General term in x plus y whole power n. Pay attention. फिर से बोल रहा हूँ. First term NC0, NC1, NC1 आया x power n minus 1 y power 1. NC2 आया x power n minus 2 y square. So this is for second term. This is third term. This will be what? R plus 1th term. So general term in x plus y whole power n CR plus 1 is equal to NCR power n minus R. Am I correct? Next,
Yes, sir.
BCs are equidistant from first and last. Reason, since NCR, NCN minus R. बच्चे लोग BC stands for binomial coefficient. NC नॉट किसको समान है? NC नॉट किसको समान है? NCN. बोलो. NC1. NC not equal to NC1 is equal to 1. Next, NC1 is equal to what? NCN minus 1 is equal to what? N. Next, NC2, NCN minus 2. कल मैंने एक टेक्निक बोला था. I told you a technique yesterday. What is the expansion of NC2? N से start करके, N से start करके, how many terms should write? 2 terms. What's the next term after N? N minus 1. 2 है. What should write? Next, NC3 is equal to what? NCN minus 3. बोलो जी. N से start करके 3 term लिखना. Am I correct? So
Yes, sir.
NCR is equal to NCN minus R. N minus 1, N minus 2. कितने लिखना? 3 है तो 2 कहाँ स्टॉप कर रहे हैं? R है तो कहाँ स्टॉप करना? R minus 1 के पास डिनोमिनेटर R. Whatever I told earlier, I am writing again. What is the, when n is even, what is the greatest binomial coefficient? When n is even, the middle binomial coefficient is greatest, which is, what does it mean? NCN by 2. When n is odd, look at that Pascal's triangle. For odd number, can you see there are two equal binomial coefficients?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When n is odd, the middle binomial coefficients are greatest. They being, ये क्या होता? NCN minus 1 by 2 and NCN plus 1 by 2. Come on, write this. Any doubts, any questions? I explained all of them earlier. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कोई शक? Any doubts? I'm waiting.
No, sir, no doubt.
Complete them.
Excuse me, sir.
सुन रहा हूँ, बोलो.
Third point, sir. Last line. N minus R minus 1.
n minus of r minus 1.
Yes, sir.
क्या हुआ?
Why are we taking R minus 1, sir?
2 है, 1 कने आगे रुका.
Yes, sir.
3 है, 2 कने आगे रुका.
Yes, sir.
तो r है तो कहाँ रुकता जी?
R minus 1. Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Can I? अरे बोलो जी.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, complete.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
x minus y होल पावर n लिखो. मैं लिखूं? Call that as 6 point. हाँ. Minus NC2 plus minus so on minus 1 whole power r last term minus 1 whole power n NCN. Why you will get this minus? How do I get this? In the above x, in the expansion of x plus y whole power n, in the expansion of x plus y whole power n, क्या करना? Speak out, man. How do I get this?
We have to take x minus y whole power 1.
Alternate terms negative.
What we have to do to get this?
Replace the y by minus y.
That's it. Pizza. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
शाबाश. Replace y by minus y. फर्स्ट में y नहीं है, सेकंड में y का पावर 1 है तो माइनस का आया, थर्ड में y का पावर 2 है, माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस हो जाता. यहाँ का y का पावर r है तो माइनस 1 होल पावर r बाहर आया. हियर y का पावर n है, so what you will get? minus 1 whole power n. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Next. Do not write. Listen here. Listen to this. Listen to this. See, pay attention. N4 ले लो. How many terms first one has? Am I correct?
5.
How many terms second one has?
5.
But those 5 will be alternatively positive and negative.
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
When
Yes,
you add
sir.
them, when you add them, 2 into, how many terms remain?
6.
हाँ, ये दोनों ऐड करते रहे जी, 6 कई को आएंगे, वाह, ये दोनों ऐड हो जाएगा जी.
Yes, sir.
कितने टर्म्स रहेंगे जी? 3 टर्म होंगे. कौन से स्कूल के अपन? 3 टर्म्स. नेक्स्ट, अगर n 5 रहा, how many terms? First one,
6.
second one, correct? Add करो. How many terms I have?
3.
3 terms.
3.
So when n even, it is what? N by 2 plus 1 terms. When n odd, how many terms? Correct? Has, bolo, n by 2 plus 1 terms if n is even, n plus 1 whole by 2 terms if n is odd. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Adnan?
Yes, sir. Understood.
अभी जो मैं बोलने वाला हूँ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. पे अटेंशन, ऑल ऑफ यू. लुक एट योर स्क्रीन. लुक हियर. पे अटेंशन. से how do you write this in terms of sigma? Sigma am I correct? एक्सपांड करके एक बार चेक करो. करेक्ट. r इक्वल
Yes,
टू
sir.
0. ये प्लस ले लो पूरे. प्लस वाला r इक्वल टू 0 फर्स्ट टर्म, r इक्वल टू 2 सेकंड टर्म, r इक्वल टू 3 थर्ड टर्म. Sorry, r equal to 0 first term, 1 second term, 2 third term, r plus 1th term, n last term. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Replace r by n minus r. What does this arrow stands for? I'll write in English. Bolo. What is the binomial expansion? Bolo man. You are replacing r by n minus r. So what does your n minus r becomes? Bolo man. Can you tell me what is the difference between these two? This is binomial expansion from. Bolo, bolo. Whereas this is binomial expansion from where to where?
Right to left.
Right to left. Put r equal to 0, क्या आएगा? Put r equal to 0, read, what is it? NCN
NCN y yn
y power n, yn
y power n.
last term है.
Yes sir.
So reverse में लिख रहे हैं, right to left. One more thing. Sigma write this first. I need full board. I need full board. Write this first.
Yes sir.
Sir,
सुन रहा हूँ, बोलो.
quadratic equation
बोले
quadratic equation संगीत में है क्या सर?
क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन
संगीत में है क्या पूछ रहे हो?
किसमें
संगीत
है ना? थ्योरी ऑफ इक्वेशंस कुछ के नाम देता हो, अलजेब्रा में रहता है, देखो.
yes sir.
I did not give any paper. There is no exam tomorrow.
Yes sir.
कौन बोल दिया आपको?
गिरी सर बोले सर अभी थोड़ी देर
क्या
पहले
बोले?
कल टेस्ट नहीं है बोल के.
फिजिक्स टेस्ट नहीं है बोलता, आपके फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री टीचर्स के वजह से नहीं है. I was ready to give the paper, but they were not ready. तो फिजिक्स शाम का क्लास नहीं हो रहा?
हो रहा सर.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Can
Done,
I
sir.
clear this off? Done.
Yes,
दो ही लाइन है
sir.
ना जी, इतनी देर लिख रहे? हाँ, 2 लाइन नहीं है, इतनी देर लिख रहे क्या जी? Now look here. Pay attention. This will help us to write multinomial theorem. What is x plus y whole power and binomial का लिखे? हाँ. What is this? हाँ. Can you see? Now I'll write this as sigma r is equal to, I'll not even write sigma r, I'll just write sigma n factorial by s factorial r factorial. What I should write? R plus s is equal to n. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now write trinomial. Sigma, बोलो, s factorial r factorial t factorial लेंगे. अंदर क्या लिखना बोलो? बोलो. Correct? I am putting
Yes,
n
sir.
minus r is equal to s. Here बोलो. Tetranomial. और x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 whole power n. Tetranomial. Sigma s1 s2 कर देंगे. बोलो. s1 plus s2 plus s3 plus s4 is equal to n. n factorial by denominator बोलो जी. हाँ. हाँ. x power x1 power s1, x2 power s2, x3 power s3, x4 power s4. Am I correct? चलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Any questions? So on.
No, sir.
You write x1 plus x2 so on till xn whole power n. Come on. Shall I?
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Twenty into 8 power 7. (2019) mains question. General term formula use karo. Don't expand. Hello. I'll provide you a hint. Remember, what is the general term formula? TR plus 1. नोट्स में है TR plus 1 का फॉर्मूला क्या है जी? बोलो मैन. NCR. फोर्थ टर्म चाहिए. फोर्थ टर्म माने T4. T4 माने T3 plus 1. 6C3. X माने N minus R. Y power R. Y is X power log X base 8 whole power R. 20 into. अब मैं इससे ज्यादा नहीं करना. Shall I?
Sir, 1/8 and 64.
Correct. What is 63 value, man?
20.
20. 6C3 is 20. ये दोनों cancel off. Reason, since 6C3 is equal to 20, what will I get? 6 minus 3 is 3. 2 cube is 8. 8 by x cube. बोलो जी, x power log x base 8 whole cube. 8 power 7. एक 8 चला गया. What will I get? 1 by x cube x power log x base 8 whole cube is equal to 8 power 6. What is a power log of f of x base a, man?
F of x.
Sir, a per log a base.
इसमें प्रॉब्लम है. ये दोनों इंटरचेंज हुए तो करेक्ट होता आपने से. इंटरचेंज नहीं है दोनों. करेक्ट है.
Yes, sir.
दोनों तरफ क्यूब रूट ले लो. What is x power log x base 8 by x? Whole cube 8 square whole cube. Am I correct? बोलो जी.
Yes, sir.
So what is your x power log x base 8 by x? Apply logarithms. Log of log of 8 square x. 8 is 2 cube. 8 is 2 cube. So log of, am I correct? चलो log of a by b. Log a minus log b. 6 log 2. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Log of a power m is m log a. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Can I clear this off? जगह नहीं है मेरे को.
1 minute, sir.
Minute, sir.
I can write one more step.
Log x comma.
Wait. Into log x minus log x. Where will this 2 cube become? 1 by 3. Log x base 2. ये log 2 नीचे लेके आओ. Log x by log 2. Log x by log 2. Am I correct? Can I clear first 3 lines?
Yes, sir.
I think this will be enough for me. Now look here. What is log a by log b? बोलो जी.
Log a minus log b.
Hey,
Log ab.
hey, log a to the base b.
Yes, sir.
log x
1
base
by
2.
3 log x base 2, सेकेंड टर्म क्या है?
Log x base 2.
माइनस, बोलो, log
Log
x
x
by
base
log 2, राइट हैंड साइड। अम्मा, अब आया देखो, 1 by 3 into t minus t is equal to 6, correct? Where, what is my t? Where
log x base 2.
t is equal to log x। अब कंप्लीट करो प्रॉब्लम। आया आंसर? मैं सॉल्व करूं? कैन आई?
sir.
दो आंसर आ जाए अभी। क्वाड्रेटिक है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 64 1 by 8.
t स्क्वायर माइनस 3t, करेक्ट है? 6 3 करेक्ट है? t is equal to minus 3 comma 6 log x base 2 minus 3 comma 6 x is equal to 2 power minus 3 2 power 6, करेक्ट है?
Yes, sir. 1 by 8. 64.
Can I clear the below part?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Completed, sir. Below part.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
If you are done, I want to write one problem है। पहला कुछ
Yes, sir.
ये लॉगरिथम वाला और एक है, दो हूँ हो गई। वो भी मेंस में पूछा।
Okay, sir.
जरा इजी वाला करो, नेक्स्ट थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट वाला करेंगे। ये भी 4th टाइम पे है। ये आसान है, थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस यूज करना।
Sir, A is 5 by 4.
पारी गोलत हाँ है।
Okay, sir.
Sir, A is equal to 1 by 2 and N is equal to 6.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट। मैं करूं? व्हाट्स द 4th टर्म? T4। T4 का फॉर्मूला NCR x पावर n माइनस r, n is n, r is 3, x is ax, n minus r, y whole power r। चलो करेक्ट, बोलो जी। NC3
Sir, 1 by x whole power 3.
पारी, थैंक यू शोएब। x पावर n minus 3 1 by x cube, करेक्ट। बोलो जी। NC3 a पावर n minus 3 x पावर n minus 6 5 by 2। क्या राइट हैंड साइड में आपको एक्स टर्म दिख रहा है? क्या आपको राइट हैंड साइड में एक्स टर्म दिख रहा है?
No.
क्या आपको राइट हैंड साइड एक्स टर्म दिख रहा है? नो। मतलब क्या है? मतलब क्या है? एक्स का पावर 0। अब n इज इक्वल टू 6 डाल दो। 6c3 a पावर 6 माइनस 3 x का पावर 0। 6c3 20 आ शायद ना अपने को। 20 into a cube into 1, 5 goes 4 times। correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir, coefficient of term.
Sir, what is it, sir? Coefficient of term in.
Ind. Ind stands for independent of x.
Okay, sir.
Ind dot independent. Independent.
Okay, sir.
Independent. क्या इंग्लिश क्लास है अपना लंबा लंबा लिखने को? तमाम Numer is not talking. Jasim, are you there today? No voice.
Yes, sir, I am here, sir.
Why you are so silent today, man?
Sorry, sir.
Jasim, if at all they start college, will you travel all along from there and come over here?
Sir, what, sir?
If at all they start college physically,
Sorry,
will you
sir, I
travel?
cannot come. No,
Will
sir,
you
not possible. Not possible, sir, because here flights are not open, sir.
No, if things get restored, I'm not telling, that will happen in the month of June, July, somewhere August, November, down the line. If things get restored, if things go back to normalcy or come back to normalcy, will you fly down all along from Saudi and come over here for physical classes?
Yes, sir, will come, sir.
Sir, 12C6.
Yes, sir. 12C6, 924.
Sure, correct. I don't want simplification, man. Just give me a term, that will be enough. What all we did here, same thing we should do. What do you mean by term independent of x? Coefficient of x. Power of x must be 0, correct? CR plus 1, 12 CR, x power 12 minus r. Am I correct, one? So 12 CR, x power 12 minus r, minus 1 whole power r. Am I correct? Am I correct? This term must be independent of x. That means what? Put r is equal to 6. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1/4 or 4?
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, 4 or 1/4, correct? Same thing, no? T3. What is T3, man? What is T2? 5C2 1 power 5 minus 2 x power log x base 2 whole square. Am I correct? Hello, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
5C2 value 10 है शायद. Am I correct? X power log x base 2 whole square. 256 is 2 power 8 है. एक बार बोलो जी मेरे को. Is 256 2 power 8?
Yes, sir.
सर 15 स्क्वायर लिखा तो.
हाँ.
Not 15, 16 square.
हाँ 16 स्क्वायर.
हाँ चलो 16 square. So x power log x base 2. Apply logarithms. Log of x power log x base 2. Log of 2 power 4. So log x base 2 into log x is equal to 4 log 2. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So log x base 2 into log x by log 2 is equal to 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So log x base 2 into log x base 2 is equal to 4. So t square is equal to 4. T is equal to plus or minus 2. T माने बदलो log x base 2. So what is your x is equals to 2 power plus or minus 2.
1 by
So x
4.
is equal to 2 square 2 power minus 2. What is important here for you to realize is the value of x which you obtain should always be positive. अगर नेगेटिव वैल्यू आया तो रिजेक्ट करना. क्यों रिजेक्ट करना? log x base 2 है, it won't be defined. अगर x नेगेटिव रहा, it won't be defined. So if at all you obtain a negative value in calculation, if at all negative value is obtained during calculation, please reject it. Copy this. Once copied, you can leave. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.